Abasondelene nobheka imtolo aboke bamkhumbuze ukuthi in terms of numbers iKwaZulu Natal ku-ANC yonke iyona province enkulu kunawo wonke, ebese kuthi i-region yaseThekwini, it is the biggest region in the whole of South Africa, ayikho enye engaphezu kwayo, ilandelwe ngithi iMoses Mabhida le ehlanganisa noMsunduzi. Nimkhumbuze ukuthi kuthe ngama local government elections okugcina ngithi it was 2021 eThekwini, iTheku lalihamba inamba zingafumi. Lo msholozi abahlangene ngaye namhlanje abamhlekayo noma ababhisibele kumcokufula is the very same person owafonelwa kukubi ecelwa ukuthi akeze azorescueisha ilokhunja eThekwini region, kumbi eThekwini iyahamba imetro. Wagijima umsholozi wahamba wayobabhila out, wakwazi ukuthi abakhulumele noMavundla abakwazi ukuthi bagcine beyanaye kwi-coalition kwayimazi ihlangana-ke ilokhunja inamba bakwazi ukuthi bayi-retain i-region yaseThekwini nemetro noma imetro yaseThekwini. Kuyimanje the top brass of i-ANC ilaphi ise-KZN babhisi yasetshenzwa ngobani umsholozi has put them in a situation like bafana nabantu bayazi ifridge kamakro le uthi mufuna izinto uvula isicapha ungene kuyona phakathi uthatha izinto oyifunayo ususivalile isicapha uthatha izinto oyithathayo uphume. That's where they are right now, they are shaking. Yabona uma beyicabanga indaba kaZuma they are shaking, but the very same Zuma ukuthi uma qhamuka nje izinto ezincane minor things bafuna ukusizakala ngaye. Anomkhumbuza nje indaba yango 2021 ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mhlambe ke inkungu izokwazi ukuthi isambuke.